Hey, welcome. And I've decided to start practicing my data entry tasks in order to have projects that I will put into my portfolio. And to do that, I've decided to go on with demo tasks since I don't have actual projects, and I got one from Ash Ashero Rafi. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it well. Asher Rafi. He's a YouTuber and he has good videos on data entry. You can go and check him out. I'll drop his link to his YouTube channel in the description box below. You can go and check him out. And yeah, I've decided to start with this project one, and the client says I have to scanned image or PDF files which I need to have in two Microsoft Word documents. Can you please type them out with all the formatting and footer info? And please use Arial font with the size 11. Please download the files from the links below. And these are the links to the file, to the documents. And he says, please make sure you are putting all text, background color, and formatting accurately as they are on the documents. Yes, and these are the documents that we are going to be downloading, which have already downloaded, and this is one, and this is the other one. So this these are what we are going to be typing out. These are the footers he talked about. And don't worry if you are not a fast typer. If you can't type fast, I have a trick on how you can get this text out in order for you to get the job done ASAP. All right. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we are going to go to Google and type in image to text for PC. All right, image to text for PC. And I'm going to go with this. So yeah, when you come here, and meanwhile, let's go back to the document. Here now, you need to download this. You need to download it to your folder, okay, to your computer. How you will do it is come to this three dots, click on it, and then click on download, and it will download automatically. All right, it has started downloading, and yeah, it has downloaded. So you go back to the image to text and then click on browse. Now see the documents, click on it, click open. Yeah, this is the document already. Now click on convert. It's converting and verify. Yeah, it's working on it already. So yeah, this is the document, this is the text. So you just click on copy and go over to your Word document or your Google Doc and click on blank document, then paste it there. Oh yeah, this is the text. So yeah, we are going to see how the formatting was made and then redo it in this fresh document. So we are going to see how the formatting was made here, and then redo it in this fresh document. All right, so to start with, um you're going to start by bolding this. Okay, you bold this, yes, and then you give space. You now go down, you now check the original text. You see that there are 4 bullet points there, and now go over to, you now come here and then give space. This bullet point here, remove it, go here, bulleted list. Now click on bulleted list, and the bullet points are on already. And then we go back to see where the first bullet point started. Bulleted text, the first one, it stopped at Gallup student poll. We go back to it and check Gallup student poll. Okay, we give space again, and then come here and input bullet points. We now come to the second one, stopped at census. Okay, we now come here and locate census. Okay, see census here. We now give space, remove this one, and then we now come back again to the third one to check how it was. The third one stopped as comparison. It stopped at comparison. So you now go over to our text, and then can see comparison here. Now click enter, and this is the last one. We now add the bullets, give space, and this one was bolded. Bold it, then give space again. Go back to our text and see. Okay, it stopped as measures, so we're going to go there, and now okay, see measures here. Give space, then go back again. The last one is district. Now go back. Yeah, so this text now, this footer that is here, okay, that is here, how the way we are going to be doing it is I'll go over to my text because I'm almost through. Okay, I'm going to go over to my text, and okay, we're going to give space, but if you notice that this place is, there is no space here again, and we need to give it space for it to be the way it should be. What we are going to be doing is come over to file, come to page setup, and then click on this paper size. All right, we are going to be using folio. We and then okay, see, we now have space here. Then what we are going to do is click enter, and then click enter on this one. Have you seen it? So have you seen it? It has already gone down. And this thing, let's check our, okay, it went down. So let's go back and let's bring this one down. Don't worry, let's bring this one down. Go back here, bring it up. No, sorry. Yes, this is how it is. And this one now, we are going to reduce it to, yes, because if you see here, the text is so little. So that's what we are doing here. And then here now, we are going to bold this, because we're going to bold this. Okay, we're going to bold it. Yes, just leave it. It's okay. Yeah, you can do that. Okay. Let me see whether they bolded it. Okay, this is fonts. Let's check the fonts that he used here. Let's check if we can see it. Let's click on bold. Let's check text for this one, because I know that this is a let's check this one. Yeah, that's the check it. Yeah, that's the font he used. That's the font he used. Okay, so guys, this is just the way to do this. This is how to do this task. Yeah, this is how to do this, just like the way it is here. Right, you can still go back and click this one down if you still want. All right, and now bring this up. Sorry. Okay, now bring this up, because it seems this one was a little bit down. All right, so that's what I just did here. Yeah. Okay, let's read this first page to know whether the software that we used, whether it did a good job with it. Right, so Gallup encourages schools and districts to share their Gallup student poll results with their local communities and key stakeholders. So let's read our own. It says Gallup encourages schools and districts to share their Gallup student poll results with their local community and key stakeholders. Below are some guidelines for the public release of schools, district, and the overall convenience sample data and results. Okay, let's go back. And it says, below are some guidelines for the public release of school, district, and the overall convenience sample data and results. See, the same thing. Like, this is just work done under 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes, you are done. All right, so yes, that's just how to do this. And you now save your work, and that's just it. That's just how to do this. All right, just come to file, download it, or share it with your client, and that's it. Yeah, this is it, guys. So if you want me to make this type of video, if you want me to be making this kind of video, I want you to drop it in the comment section below, so that I will know that you are interested in this type of video. All right, yeah, so stay tuned, and thank you. And yeah, thank you, and God bless you. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye.